3 alleged contract criminals have been charged and 5 cars have been seized as part of New South Wales Police Operation Strike Force Flodine. Police revealed they have been tracking a network of staged vehicles known as kill cars across Sydney. On Tuesday, October 7, 2025, covert operations led detectives to foil an alleged conspiracy to murder a man in the vicinity of a daycare centre. 2 days later, on Thursday, October 9, 2025, detectives targeted a group of alleged G7 members believed to be using the network of cars to carry out contracts. 8 search warrants were executed across Sydney's southwest, resulting in 3 arrests. In Oran Park, 2 men aged 18 and 21 were arrested. Additionally, a 16-year-old was arrested in Hitchinbrook. During the searches, police seized 5 cars, a firearm, ammunition, $41,000 in cash, GPS trackers, and 37 mobile devices, as well as dedicated encrypted criminal communication devices.